What if I told you that the way you research, verify data, and build slide decks literally became obsolete overnight? Welcome to this high-stakes explainer. Today, we're breaking down a massive, totally unexpected update from Google that is completely tearing up the blueprint for knowledge work. We're looking at the explosive evolution of NotebookLM, and let me tell you, it's moving way faster than anyone predicted. Imagine an AI that can independently research the live web, analyze giant spreadsheets, build intricate mind maps, create interactive audio podcasts, and then produce stunning cinematic videos, all in just a few minutes. Now, hearing that, you're probably thinking, okay, that's got to be some complicated workflow stitching together, like 5 different AI tools? But here's the crazy part. That is now one single unified product, and it's going to disrupt absolutely everything. So let's dive into Section 1, the AI nobody saw coming. Google just quietly supercharged NotebookLM by injecting it with their massive Gemini 3.5 model. To really understand the stakes of this shift, look at traditional AI. Right, it was incredibly helpful, but the bottleneck was always you. You had to go out, scour the web, download all the specific PDFs, collect the sources, and organize everything before the AI could even begin to help. So Google flipped the entire paradigm. Now you just set a goal and this new autonomous agent builds the output for you. NotebookLM isn't just helping you think anymore, it's literally thinking alongside you. Which brings us to Section 2, the new agentic brain. This update completely changes how we interact with software. It's basically transforming your role from a software user into a software manager. The underlying tech making this possible is what Google is calling the anti-gravity framework. This is the engine that shifts the AI away from just being a reactive chatbot waiting around for your prompt and turns it into a proactive, autonomous agent. You're no longer just having a simple back and forth chat. You're deploying a digital employee that can actually take initiative. And here's exactly how that digital employee works. You give it a high-level goal. Let's say you tell it, hey, research the future of humanoid robots and create a presentation. The agentic brain instantly breaks that down into a logical multi-step plan. It independently chooses which internal tools to use, goes out, finds the info, verifies the data, and then actually builds the final presentation for you. It handles the whole shebang, the entire life cycle of a project, all inside one single workspace. Let's move on to Section 3. Automated deep research. This new autonomy powers what is arguably the absolute biggest game changer of the entire update. We're talking about automated deep research. Look, if you're a student, a journalist, a business analyst, or really any kind of content creator, you already know the manual hunt for trustworthy information is a massive time sink. But now, that manual hunt is just eliminated. You no longer need to spend hours tracking down and uploading your own specific research papers or PDFs just to get quality answers. You don't need to manually feed it any local text files, spreadsheets, or meeting notes to get started either. No documents at all. It doesn't need those perfectly curated folders you spent weeks organizing. All that friction of preparation, completely gone. You can start with absolutely nothing but a single question. You can ask it something highly complex like, what are the biggest AI trends for 2027? And it just automatically scours the web, identifies relevant sources, gathers expert forecasts, and then builds an entire structured research library for you right there in the background. It's really not just a search engine anymore, guys. This is automated knowledge collection. Okay, Section 4, calculating instead of guessing. But we all know there's a serious risk with AI, right? Hallucinations. You simply cannot trust an AI with your critical business reports if it's just probabilistically guessing the next likely word. So to fix this exact problem, NotebookLM now features a secure cloud computing environment right under the hood. Let that sink in for a second. The AI isn't just reading text anymore. It can actually write and execute real computer code to verify its own math. Just like Google says, it is literally moving from guessing to calculating. Think about it like this. If you upload a giant spreadsheet of sales data to a traditional chatbot, it basically just estimates trends based on language patterns. But NotebookLM, it runs actual hard code calculations on that data. It verifies its math via computation. This means you are getting mathematical certainty instead of just guesswork, which is going to completely save you from making embarrassing, not to mention costly, errors in your business forecasts and statistical analysis. Moving right along to Section 5. The ultimate content factory. So your research is automatically gathered and your data is mathematically verified. Boom! Now NotebookLM shifts gears and starts acting as an absolute content creation machine. Inside their new Studio panel, it instantly turns that single source of truth into almost any format you could possibly need. We're talking detailed mind maps, comprehensive study guides, fully formatted PowerPoint presentations, and outputs totally optimized for YouTube or social media. It even generates 10 different infographic styles, from those sleek corporate bento grids to incredibly stylized kawaii designs. And it does all of this simultaneously to fuel whatever professional needs you have. But the feature that is probably going to go incredibly viral, the cinematic video overviews. By blending Gemini 3.5 with Google's Nano Banana Pro and VO3 video models, NotebookLM can now take a dense, let's be honest, incredibly boring scientific paper or market analysis and automatically generate a polished, narrated, documentary-style visual story. It creates the animations, the visuals, the transitions, and the voiceover completely automatically. It is literally a production studio in a box. And for the audio side of things, they've completely upgraded their massively popular AI podcast feature. You can now choose specific formats, like a deep dive, a quick briefing, a critique, or even a debate. But they took it even further than that. You can actually interrupt the AI hosts in real time. Seriously, while they're talking, you just jump right in, ask a question, or redirect the conversation, which seamlessly turns passive listening into highly engaging, active learning. It's honestly like calling into a live radio show where the hosts just happen to know absolutely everything about your specific documents. And finally, Section 6, the Future AI Workspace. Stepping back to look at the bigger picture here, this is no longer just a specialized tool for taking notes. This is a massive consolidation of workflows that directly threatens to disrupt dozens of standalone software companies. Unlike other platforms out there that kind of only excel at one specific thing, whether that's conversation or search or video, NotebookLM perfectly balances and combines deep research, advanced reasoning, actual code execution, and high-level content generation into one seamless ecosystem. It's a true AI workspace where raw, unorganized information goes in on one end and finished, polished work comes out the other. Which brings us to the ultimate question for you. Has Google just quietly created the ultimate ChatGPT killer for research and knowledge work? Like, could this completely replace your current suite of tools and become the ultimate productivity platform for your job? I really want to know what you guys think about these insane new AI capabilities, so please drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to engage because the AI world is moving faster than ever, and you definitely don't want to miss what we break down next. Thanks for hanging out with us and keep learning.